Alors, mesdames et messieurs, Willie Stewart a finalement réalisé bel concert en Boursa, à côté d'un paquet de jeunes étudiants haïtiens qui étaient participés.
This is Jen C. Charles, and we are so excited because this is the big day, the day of the Rhythms of Africa performance. Now, we've interviewed Willie Stewart, and we've seen the rehearsal, so now we're going to finally see the performance.
The Rhythms of Africa show, led by Willie Stewart of the band Third World, delivered a powerful show with student drummers, African singing, and contemporary music. After 2 hours of music, it was the students of Lauderdale Lakes who showed that they could be professionals. With only 7 weeks of practice, they performed on stage. Imagine if Willie Stewart's dream came true and more schools taught music.
And now, our wonderful student from Lauderdale Lakes, Rhythms of Africa Percussion Orchestra, give them a standing ovation. Please. Our wonderful.
That's great. Well, I'm here with the kids from the Rhythms of Africa performance that we just saw, and I'm here to ask them, how did you enjoy the performance?
Loved it. I loved it.
Do you plan on going further in this?
Of course.
Do you bagay en Creole pour moi?
Oh, on est haïtien moi même moun moi, vous comprenez? Yeah.
So Sandra, can you tell me what you thought about the event?
It was awesome. I enjoyed myself.
And how did you feel performing?
I was nervous at first, but it was awesome, yeah.
For information about upcoming Rhythms of Africa events, go to reggaemovement.com. Nick Lawrence, Haitian News.